Minneapolis-Saint, where the local time is 6:51 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on items properly stowed until the captain has turned up the seatbelt sign. Once again, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items properly stowed until the captain has turned up the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. Check the seat pockets and around your seats for all your personal belongings. As you reach our gate, we invite you to use the flight at the airport important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share feedback. We do value your feedback and use the responses to improve your future travel experiences. To keep the plane comfortable during deplaning and for our next flight, please open the vents above your seats and lower the window seats halfway. And on behalf of this Minneapolis-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta. We look forward to seeing you soon. We will be deplaning using a jetbridge today. If you're all coming up tag carrying back up on arrival, we ask you to step to the side of the jetbridge to allow other passengers to deplane while you wait to claim your carry-on baggage. And if this is your final destination, tag baggage may be claimed in the baggage claim area. And if you do have a connecting flight, your tag baggage will be transferred for you. And if you need any assistance, please let us know. Thank you for your cooperation.
Welcome to Minneapolis. We are just holding short of the gate here, so we do ask that you keep your seatbelts fastened until that fasten seatbelt sign has come off. We were scheduled to be at 18. We're here at 53, so about a half hour earlier. So we're just waiting for the ramp crew to catch up. Once they're in, we should be able to get into the gate here very shortly. Thanks again for flying with us.